Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on the objective of this particular exercise is how to change the caption color and its background in Qlikview. So basically, the caption over here is nothing but sum of office sales. So this is the caption over here. I have created a line chart for office sales, office products. So on the x-axis, we are having territory. So these are east, north, south, west. These are territories, and these are the values on this particular data point according to the territory. 4 territories are there. So this is the dimension of this territory, and on the expression axis, that is on the y-axis, we are having sum of office sales. So I'll show you the database first. Go to the shortcut in the edit script. I have loaded office city sales Excel file. From that, I have loaded office city sales table. You click on OK. Now go to this particular line chart and right click, then click on the property. Then what we have to do over here, we can see one option named as caption. So we have to go to the option named as active caption. So the active caption over here is sum of office sales. So this is the by default color. Background color is gray. The text color is black. So what we can do, we can go to this particular text color. We can select any of the color which you want. So I'll select this particular color. I'll click on OK. Okay. Then I'll click on background color. So I'll click on this particular color. OK. Then the moment I'll click on apply, you can observe the changes in the caption. Over here you can also observe the changes. Active caption. So it is being shown that the background color is somewhat sky blue, bluish type, and text color is maroon. Let's click on OK. So the caption, that is sum of office sales, is being changed to maroon color, and this is changed to somewhat sky blue. So I hope you have understood how to change the caption text color and its background. Thanks for watching.